I am here at Flushing Meadows Corona Park. It is really cold. Some parts of the lake is frozen, but as you can see, the waterfalls don't mind it one bit. Here we have someone feeding the waterfalls. Here we have pigeons, a whole lot of them, Canadian geese, ring-billed gulls, and a swan. And here we have some Atlantic brands. If you look further out, you'll see that the parts that are frozen is mostly back. I think because the birds are right here, then it keeps breaking the ice. But further out there, you can look, you see the birds sitting on top of the ice. And that's it for the birds and waterfalls here in the park. I'll see you soon.